All right, today I have the Swiffer Power Mop, and I'm going to show you how to refill the Swiffer Power Mop solution bottle. So when you get a Swiffer Power Mop, it comes with a solution bottle that is not infinite. When you use it and it sprays out, this bottle gets empty, and so you'll want to get a refill. So a lot of times you'll go out and get a refill, but I'm going to show you how you can do it at home with your own solution that you can make yourself, depending on your flooring, what type of solution that you would need. Now, in order to refill it, I'm going to first take this off. All right, so I'm going to take this off and I'm going to show you how to refill it, the method that I use for refilling the Swiffer Power Mop solution bottle. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this off. So you take it off by simply coming up to the Swiffer Power Mop and ejecting the solution bottle. You do it by pressing this button down here. You see it popped up. Once it popped up, you can go ahead and take this and pull this out. Now, put this to the side right here, okay? All right, and so now I have the Swiffer Power Mop solution bottle, which has a little bit in here, but I want to refill it. Now, what you're gonna need is, you're gonna need a funnel. Unless you have super skills to where you can pour something out without spilling on the side, I suggest having a funnel, right? So this is a funnel. Hello, hello. This is a funnel, all right? So in order to access inside of here, what you're gonna do is, first I'm gonna get right here, and here is my solution bottle right here, the solution that I made up right here. So when you are adding the solution, which I'm gonna get to in a second, you want to have, okay, so I use water, okay, that's where you use water, and just a little bit of a flooring solution, which is appropriate for your floor. Now you have to remember, when you're using the solution in this, you are spraying it down all over your floor, and you're not going to go up and rinse it off. So you just need just a little bit to dissolve the material. That's how these push mops work. It dissolves the material and it leaves some of the solution on the floor because you don't rinse it after you spray it on. You just mop and it mops up. So you'll want to go really light. And what I do is, my flooring solution that I use on here, I use Mr. Clean because this isn't real wood down here. I use Mr. Clean, but when I'm adding it to the solution, I'm only adding like half a capful or maybe 1 capful, because if you add too much of solution, it will become sticky once the solution dries on your floor. So just very little, just enough to break up, dissolve the dirt when using your Swiffer. Okay, so I added to this. So this is my solution right here. It just looks like water, but it's because it's so faint because I use so very little of the floor cleaner to put in here. So this is solution with Mr. Clean in here and Mr. Clean floor cleaner. I'm gonna put that right there. Now we have to get to the bottle. And this is the bottle. So what I'm gonna do right here is I'm gonna open up this bottle in order to access it to put more solution in. So I have the bottle right here. So what you're gonna do is, it takes 2 turns, about 2 turns, counterclockwise to get this top off. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna twist it. Actually, it just takes 1 full 360-degree turn to get it off, and it comes off like this. And so what I do is, I go ahead and add my funnel, funnel right here, put it in here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take my solution, fill it with a solution, slowly. Might have to lift it up a little bit because to get the air, because if it doesn't have an air pocket right here, it gets an air pocket in here, so lift it up so you let the air out. And then just, I'm gonna put it down right here and just lift it just slightly so it has air to get out. And just pour the solution in to the bottle. Oh, I overfilled it. You gotta pay attention because you don't wanna overfill it like me. So once you do that, just tap it so you don't spill it everywhere. Put the funnel away. And then you just take this cap right here and you just put it on top and you spin it, boom. You're gonna have to press down on it a little bit. So press down, spin it. You gotta spin it probably a couple of times until it's down and flush in there. And you'll notice It won't drip when you go like this. That's how you know it is secure, okay? So I have this secured. I have it spun on. All right, spun it till it's tight. All right, so I have the solution on. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply place this back into where it goes. So I'm going to take the power mop. I twisted this a little bit. All right, so I'm going to take the power mop, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it right here. Press it down until it clicks into place. That didn't work. Oh, I twisted it too tight. Let me undo it like this. All right, that's perfect right there. And so I'm going to take it and put it in place, and it's locked into place. Okay, so now it's locked into place. I can go ahead and begin my Swiftering with more solution. An easy problem to solve right there. And that is how you refill the Swiffer Power Mop solution bottle. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.